From Twister Man. This is what I interest of this product. This is my partner in life. Guess what it is? So cute. My favorite color with green. So this is a blue green. It's a Twister Man. This is a brand. Okay. Are you excited? I'm excited, guys. Wow. A lot of wrapper. So let's check this out. Ooh, look it. Oh, my travel mirror. So this is like 5 times, 2 times. Wow, I like it. Look at myself there. And the other side. Wow, I love this. I got few of this now. My partner, because I have to look at myself if it's messy, my makeup, especially when I wear mascara, you know. I don't want it to be all over because sometimes, you know, I can't avoid doing this like this. It's just a habit. So this guy is my friend. Ooh, it's magnetic. Wow, I can put it in my purse anywhere I go. Alright, so this is it.